Hello everyone, it's your boy Ishan. Welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Madara Uchiha. Today's video is going to be a bit special because today I am going to show you how to draw along with the coloring. Don't miss any part of the video. So let's begin. As always, I am starting with the base structure. It's the most important part of the drawing because if you can make the body's structure perfectly, then your drawing will be accurate. So to make the perfect structure, you have to observe the reference and make a structure in your mind, then paste that idea in the paper. Now the structure building is complete, so now add the details of the drawing. At first try to keep your pencil pressure light. It's easier to fix mistake later. Like this, when the lines are correct, then make them a bit bolder. But I would prefer you to keep them light because you have to erase them later. And if you make them bold, then it will make it harder to erase them. And for adding details, I will recommend you to start from the head, and this drawing is mainly focused on the hand. So after drawing the head, I will start with the hand, then I will start with this body, hair, and etc. As I said before, the hand is the main part of this drawing, so make the hand look a bit realistic and try to keep the proportions right, or your hand will look like the jaundice patient's hand.
Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching.
The sketch is now complete, so let's start erasing it with a clay eraser, or it may be known as a kneadable eraser. Just don't fully erase the sketch. You must be able to see the line, or you cannot do the outlining after erasing the sketch. Now let's start the outlining with a pen. I am using 0.5 mm gel pen, but if you have fine liners, then use them. They will give you much good results. For the coloring, I am using mainly two materials. One is Dome's brush pens and other is TiTi's 36 shade color pencils. For the hair, I am using Dome's brush pens black color, but I am mainly using color pencils. So if you have only color pencils, then you can use them. That will take a bit more time, but that will give the same result as the markers. For the hair I used black color, and for the face I used a base layer of peach, and I am coloring the eyes. For eyes I am using light grey, and for the pupils I used just yellow. And after coloring the eyes, I am doing shadows on the face. For the shadows I used orange red color for the base and then used brown color, and to blend them perfectly I used white color over them. And now I am using Tom's red color brush pen for the whole armor of Madara Uchiha. Now I am going to color his hand, and for his hand I am again using the color peach, and for the shadows I am going to use light brown. And again I am going to blend all the colors with White color pencil. White color pencil is the best blender in color pencil.
Nobody is watching at night.
Now I am using gray color in his whole dress, and then for the shadows I am using dark gray.
Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend
I hope you liked
to
this
shake
video. If
me
you
out
want more
again.
content like this, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And my drawing is complete with that. So now enjoy the results of the drawing. See you in the next one.